Yesterday, I gave my Wolf of Wall Street speech at the office, and it really was about one thing: pay the price, pay the dues. There's so many people that are sharing what they want. They say they want a big house. They say they want a big bank account. But are they paying the dues or paying the price to actually get what they say they want? And I'm finding that many people are not. They're not willing to take the action that's required to get all that they dream of. So if your dreams are up here, make sure your actions are up there with them. If your actions are down here, you're not going to get there. You know, the best analogy I can use, if you're going to go build body strength in the gym, are you going to do a bench press with a 10-pound weight? No, you're not. Take actions with the right weight. So when you think of taking actions to get closer to your dreams, think about what have you done in the past and how can you get past that. If your job is to talk to a certain amount of people every day, double that for 5 days in a row, double that for 21 days in a row, and make that a habit. And then it's going to feel easier the next time you go out there and do it, just like pressing weights. Hopefully that makes some sense. Let's see if your actions can meet your dreams.